All right, guys, this is break number 16 of 2015 National Treasures Multisport. So working through, I think, our fourth case of this, fourth, maybe fifth case. So there are 8 cards altogether is what they say, 6 hits, but every box we've pulled at least 8 or 10 hits. So there's a chance to pull flawless diamond cards out of here. We got some really, really cool cards, a lot of one-on-ones we've pulled already. So here's a rundown of National Treasures Multisport, which is a random last name letter break. So Doug C has got 5 spots, Daniel C's got 4, and then Brian W, you're the only one not named Doug or Daniel in this one. So you've got 1 spot as well. All right, John, I'll get you down for both, man. So just ignore that PayPal invoice that I already sent to you. I'll send you another one. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters first. We'll mix this up 5 times. We're not using Q and X and Z and all that, so just 20 of the letters total. I don't think we've had to do any randoms from this break either for letters that we're not using. All right, now we'll mix up the guys 5 times as well and then match up the letters. All right, here we go. So Brian, you've got last name letters H and A. Daniel, you've got E, P, M, B, J, N, R, and Y. And then Doug, you've got L, W, V, D, T, S, K, F, C, and G. They're all of the letters for break number 16 of National Treasures. All right, so here we go.
Can I slice that open? Or like with yours?
Yeah.
We have a lot of those cases. I have like a whole box of them.
Alright. So we've already pulled 1 flawless diamond card out of this case. Let's see if we can pull another one. Well, they give you 1 booklet in each one. Alright. Arturo, what's up, man? You can cheer for whoever you want to, especially when you're not in it. Alright, Brian Bennett, 23 out of 25. Last name B on that one. I got it. Why don't you hand me the top letters? The 100. Hand me the 100 point. Okay.
It says 100 points.
So these base cards you just need 100 points. Alright, next up we got a Marcus Thornton. Nice low number there, 5 out of 5. Last name T. Same thing. Yeah, I don't know. Man, Hank Aaron, that'd be sweet. This is before Ronald Acuna, so he's not in this. Next up, we got a John Wall, number to 99, last name W. Oh, we got our other flawless diamond coming. All right, here we go. Nice. How about a Buster Posey? 4 out of 5. That's a sweet one there. Last name P. There you go, Daniel. I'm going to need 180 for the last one. Cool card there. That's awesome. All right, see if we can pull a 1-on-1 or something out of here. Next up, we got 99 relic, Aaron Aflalo. There's your A. And Aaron's in the name, so I guess that counts.
Wait, is his name Aaron Aflalo?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're pronouncing it right?
All right, next up, we got a multi-relic here. We got Andrew Benintendi, Frank Kaminsky, and Marcus Mariota. So B, K, and M. So it'll probably be a random. B, K, and M. M and B is going to be Daniel, and K is going to be Doug. So yeah, we'll random off.
That looks like a 7.
99.
No, I mean like.
No. Yeah, go ahead and give me the 100. Is that 100?
This is a 6.
Yeah, we'll do 100. All right, next up, we got a Jordan Clarkson. Not bad here, numbered to 99. This is 100. All right, we got Jesse James. Real basic signature there, numbered to 99. All right, next up, we got a Rakeem Christmas on-card auto jumbo relic to 99.
Jack 125. No, 130.
Yeah, give me 130.
Wait, is that shit?
All right, let's do it again. Oops. Ooh, that's a good one. Next one's coming up. It's pretty good. Casey Houston, on-card jumbo relic auto. Last name H on that. John, you digging the cake, huh? No, you did.
Dang, that's a good one. Good stuff.
All right, nice one here. How about a Marcus Mariota on-card auto to 99?
I want to trade for that.
That's a cool one there. Last name M. Man, Daniel C. Another one for you.
Daniel, we need to trade for that.
My boys are already trying to hustle you, man.
Hey, I have 2 careers. If you need something.
All right, and then the last card of the break is going to be our booklet. It's going to be a Jalen Strong, numbered to 99, which usually just means, oh, it is the auto, relic auto. Last name S on that one. All right, so we'll have the one random I've got to do.
Tell me if you respond to it.
Hang on.
Can I show it to them?
That's all right, I got it. All right, let's go ahead and do the random. So we got last name B, K, and M.
I think it's Daniel again. Wait, is Daniel in this one?
What?
Is Daniel in this random?
Yeah. All right, yeah.
So he gets
All right, so we've got them listed like they are on the card. So B, K, and M, we'll go ahead and randomize it 5 times. The name at the top after 5 is going to get it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Going to K. Doug, you were the underdog on that one, man. Ended up pulling it.
Doug got it done.
So K on that one. So Doug, that one's coming to you.
He didn't even get to me.
And that'll do it for National Treasures. So appreciate you guys jumping in. I've got one more box of this case. And we'll keep doing them as long as you guys want to do it. So appreciate you guys jumping in on National Treasures break number 16.